We're making a lightly sweetened cream cheese dipping sauce with only 3 ingredients, including cream cheese, Greek yogurt, and maple syrup. It's perfect for dipping fruit, pretzels, or as a sweet topping. Hello, my name is Nicole Bonilla, and if you love healthier recipes to our favorite foods, then you are in the right place. The easiest way to make this dip is to use a small food processor, or I'm using the chopper cup with my immersion blender. So we're going to add half a cup of plain Greek yogurt, and you'll want to use the thicker Greek yogurt to have the best consistency. Next we'll add 2 ounces or 1/4 a cup of some cream cheese and 2 to 3 tablespoons of maple syrup. I'm using 3. This is optional, but I'm going to add 2 pinches of salt. And then we'll just blend this together till it's smooth and creamy. And that looks perfect. And then we'll just transfer this to a bowl so it's ready for dipping. And now is an excellent time for a pinky test. That is delicious. That is the perfect combination of sweet and tangy and was so easy to make. Well, thank you for hanging out with me today in my kitchen, and there is a link to the full recipe in the video description below, and that takes you to my website, gentletummy.com. And I cannot wait to have you hang out with me again in my kitchen.